Sheperd, appointment with his future wife. Scuraro, nickname. Light blue nightgown. Di carrettiere.
Meanwhile, congratulations, you are very elegant. Very elegant. We're here. Is that an antique watch? Yes, I've had it for 70 years. What class are you? 1928. What did you do in your life? A wonderful job for me, the pastor. I did it for 65 years. Is it true that the shepherds become a bit poets because they always sing? Yes, it's true. The ship to whom you were fond of, what was her name? Maria. In the weekend back in your days, you used to go to the sea? Which sea? To work. And how did you meet your wife? Did you take her to the club? No, but what club? I met her in a street in a village. And I told her I liked her, and she said to me, "It's fine with me, but you have to talk to my parents first." If they didn't agree, she would do the fuitina.
Smashing tip. Until not many years ago, Sicilian men were very jealous of their daughters and were not convinced too easily to give them up for engagement. And then, in secret, the woman agreed with the fiancé, and together they escaped, the fuitina precisely. Is that he took her away for a few days, and at that point, when they returned, her father could no longer exempt himself from getting her in marriage.
Per me sta bene, però adesso i miei genitori pure.
Certo, per avere 90 anni si porta bene, complimenti.
To be 90 years old, you look great.
Grazie.
You didn't tell me your name.
Io Terranova.
Un nome?
Giuseppe.
Giuseppe Terranoma. Nickname Uscuraro. But I don't know what it means. Your name is, ma'am?
Santina Todaro,
Class?
1939. My husband courted me from age 14 up to 23.
It was pretty tough, huh?
And I always said no. I had so many marriage proposals, and I always said no.
You arrived after the wedding at home. Let's get to the point. Did your heart beat the first wedding night?
Yeah,
How were you dressed?
I had a nightgown made by me,
What color?
light blue. I worked with sewing, but then I had to leave because my husband didn't want me to work. Because I just had to take care of the house.
Do you dream of those times? I dream that I am with the animals, that I called them.
Splendid Sicily is a network that broadcasts video about Sicily on the web. Love created Splendid Sicily, the love of writers, students, mayors, artists, and intellectuals. We all join together to talk about our land to the whole world. We Sicilians are like the waves of 100 different seas that meet and mingle together, creating a single ocean. We have blood of all colors, cells of every continent, and a DNA with billions of different propellers. We are ingenious as a Greek, outgoing as an Arab, flary as a Norman, elegant as an Aragonese, and stubborn as a Bourbon. Some of us have the dark eyes of a Greek, others the olive skin of an Arab, and others are tall and blonde like a Norman. But we're just Sicilians. There are other people who have become children of this land while being born in other parts of the world. Because this is the true essence of a Sicilian, hospitality and brotherhood. Sicily has always welcomed and will welcome everyone, not as guests, but as adopted children. Sicilian from all over the world, by birth or by chance, here's to you, Splendid Sicily, the greatest project of all time on Sicily. Welcome to a world of poetry, beauty, heart, men and women of this population. Stay tuned.
Come in Sicily for the good life.
Lei si chiama
Lizio Salvatore.
Lizio Salvatore.
Your name is?
Nato a
Lizio
Milo.
Salvatore, born in 1923.
Ieri. Che cosa faceva lei?
Facevo carrettiere.
I was a carrettiere,
Portavo
a sort of truck driver of antiquity.
Cioè,
I
lei
used to bring from
fare il
Milo,
carrettiere
1,000 meters high, and bring wood and fruit. I left at midnight. When I returned, I used to bring things here to Milo. Pasta, flour. This work ended in the 1950s when the cars arrived.
Sì, capita che non sono sempre che lavoro a Catania.
Yes, I often dream of it. Me with my car.
Come si chiamava questo cavallo?
Cavallo Giorgio.
Giorgio?
Giorgio.
The horse was called Giorgio, like my father, and lived 20 years.
Dormiva sopra il carretto.
Se uno lo sapeva lasciare,
Il mulo sapeva lasciare veramente.
il cavallo sapeva lasciare.
Giorgio sapeva lasciare.
I slept in the car. Giorgio knew the way and returned alone.
No, mi fermarono.
Ah, proprio l'hanno fermata, le hanno rubato proprio.
Certo, mi hanno rubato.
L'hanno minacciata.
Once they stopped me and they stole the cherries and 1,500 lire.
Senta, signor Lizio.
Listen, Mr. Lizio, is it true as the saying goes, it was better when it was worse?
È stato sempre perché il lavoro nobile dell'uomo.
Certo.
I've been always good because work ennobles men. Was your car painted? Yes, with Roman costumes with Nero.
I costumi romani insieme allora.